Have you ever seen waterfall inside a flat? No, right? Then have a look at this flat. The marvelous 3 BHK, fully furnished with an sea view. Wow! Look at the massive living area and the elegantly made interior. It's just give you a feeling to be in this property and never go to work any time of the day, right? It's so beautifully made. See the chandeliers, the dining area, the sofa set. Wow. And look at this open view of the city skyline in Bandra West. This is the luxurious 3 BHK in the prime location, close to the sea. This is the spacious living area and the dining area. This is the common washroom. This is your first bedroom, which has been converted into an office. And look at this sea view. Wow. Open gardens, greenery, and sea view. Wow. It looks so beautiful. This is going to be your future flat. And this is the bedroom you would like to have in the future, with the sea view and the beautifully made wooden flooring. And look at this, the interior. Wow. And this is the walk-in closet. Everything from the tile to the ceiling is beautiful. This is the spacious kitchen with amazing cabinets and storage made over here. Of course, it has a gas pipeline as well. And this is the third bedroom, again with the city skyline view and a spacious one with an attached washroom over here. Wow. The price of this property is, I know you're excited to hear it, right? The price of this property is 13.5 crores only. 3 BHK, 1550 carpet, but it's worth it. Mark my words. Do subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, comment how did you find this property, and let me know. Call me if you want to book this. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn as well to get such updates about more properties like this. Sagar Visawadia, Dream Properties, waiting for your call.